not able to make a living on it.
Right. Sometimes, you know, you go to school for something, but you do something totally different.
Yeah, like I do.
Yeah, like what you do. It's, you know, what you're really interested in doing.
And also, it's you are only 20 years old or something when you have to choose your future job, and you don't know what it's going to be. You don't know what you like. Yeah.
What are we doing?
Vi ska ut och åka slädtur.
Okay.
Jag har fått en blå tumme.
What's he cooking? Can see.
What are you cooking now? What is it?
It's meat from our sheep,
The sheep? Oh, good.
the lamb,
Damn.
and some vegetables.
Your own vegetables?
Yeah, some of them.
Yeah.
Not everything.
Ja, det är. Ska du inte räkna?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Och sen
9.
9 och sen 10.
Vi gör ju det. Filming.
Filming.
5, 6.
It's hard to both take photos and film when it's so dark.
That's why we didn't take any our camera, so just trying to do something with the phone. Åker ni iväg bara familjen och gör så här ibland också?
Ja, det är lite konstigt för att det
Vi skulle lämna tillbaka minibussen idag och den andra imorgon. Men jag undrar om jag kan bara byta på de två så istället lämna tillbaka den
I just chose this place. Oops.